Hi, I'm Margaret. We've had a burst of sunshine here today, so I thought I'd grab the strawberries and make this beautiful strawberry shortbread. It's filled with a super smooth lemon cream filling. It adds a lovely zing to the flavour and really complements the strawberries well. The strawberry sauce completes the dessert. So come on, let's get started. The first step is to make the shortbread. Once the butter is into the dry ingredients, I'm going to give it a really good mix with my mixer. It needs to be the texture of breadcrumbs and yellow in colour. The icing sugar will make it lovely and sweet, and the eggs will bring it all together into a beautifully soft dough. The first time I ever made shortbread was with my auntie, and she said, "Margaret, it's got to be soft because no one likes dry shortbread." So I've made it this way ever since. We must be talking 50 years ago, so we've had quite a few batches in that time. This needs to go into the fridge now for at least an hour. I often leave it overnight. I've sprinkled some cornmeal onto the baking paper before I roll it out so it doesn't stick, and I'm using just half of the dough. I'm rolling it straight onto the baking paper because it is such a soft dough, and there's no way I'm going to be able to move it once it's rolled out. It'll just break up. This is an 8-inch flan tin, and it seems to work just right with the amount in this recipe. I have to be really careful here as I take the excess off, in case I drag some of the shortbread circle with me. The top's done slightly differently. Once I've cut the circle, I'm going to cut it into slices to decorate the top with. A pizza cutter's good for this. If it's covered in flour, then it won't stick. There we go, all ready to pop onto the baking sheet. Making holes with a fork will stop it from rising and also looks quite pretty. And into the fridge with them until they're completely cold. A couple of hours should do. It's a good idea to redo the slices when they're still warm. Then they'll need to cool completely. And while they're doing this, I'll make the lemon filling. Now this lemon cream filling can be used to top a number of different desserts. It's pleasantly sweet and adds a fresh lemon zing. It goes particularly well with strawberries. It's so easy to make. You just add all the ingredients together and whisk it up. It needs to be stiff enough to be able to be piped onto the shortbread. I've washed and cut the strawberries in half, leaving some whole to go on top, and these are all the same size so they can go round the edge. A little bit of cream first on the cake stand to keep it still. You can do the next bit the way you want it. Layering works well though. Plenty of strawberries though, to cut into the richness of the cream. I like to put a row of halved strawberries around the edge, just to make it look nice and neat and pretty. And it's a good excuse to add even more strawberries. The whole strawberries are great for balancing the shortbread on top. Use your imagination here, make it any way you like. I like that there's always shortbread pieces left over. That's the cook's treat. Any strawberries you've got left over, you can blitz together with a little bit of icing sugar to make a lovely strawberry sauce to pour over the top. I do hope you've enjoyed making my strawberry shortbread with me today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll catch you next time.